All right, tell us who you are and what you brung.
Edgar Gonzalez, Audi A4, 2006 B7.
Okay, and what modifications have you done?
Modifications, EF4 76163.
Nice.
Turbo, 38mm top wastegate. Built bottom end, J pistons, for Super Tech valves. 450 Walbro fuel pump, R4 injectors, methanol injection, 5 nozzles, port injection, and then running 91 pump gas.
So the works.
Yep.
Have you been on a dyno before?
Yeah.
Okay, how much do you expect to make today?
Probably got 400 to the wheels.
Okay, perfect. Well, good luck.
Thanks.
My name is Freddie, and I brought my FK 2018 Civic Type R.
And what modifications have you done to it?
So far that I know of, I have my downpipe, front pipe, cold air, cooler.
And 301.
My name is Christian, and it's a full bore Tons E50 Custom 2.
Okay. Have you been to a dyno before?
Yeah, I have.
How much power do you expect to make today?
320.
320? Cool. Awesome. Well, good luck. Appreciate you.
I have a 1990 Nissan GTRs twin turbo.
And what modifications do you have?
Mount pipes, test pipes, hatback, intercoolers, 50 Honda boost,
Okay.
650 cc. For my 2020 Honda Accord Sport 2.0 turbo.
And what modifications have you done to it?
I got a K&N coil air intake, pedal commander, K-center, stage 2, bass, dual tune 1, resonator elite, Morley S-type mufflers, PRL front pipe, down pipe, intercooler upgrade, and flex fuel.
Nice. Have you been on a dyno before?
Yes.
How much power do you expect to make today?
Hoping 320.
320? Awesome. Cool. Well, I appreciate your time. Thank you.
Michael Bobo, it's a Honda Civic SI 2019. Built motor with rods, I got a clutch upgrade, head gasket upgrade, turbo upgrade, and I'm on a baseline right now, so.
Okay.
Downpipe full built on TV.
Okay. Have you been to a dyno before?
First time.
Cool. Awesome. Thank you. All right, tell us who you are and what you brung.
My name's Rain. I brought my 2009 Kia Spectra LX.
Are there any modifications done to it?
I got a dual core aluminum radiator. I got some BC coilovers on the way. I got a cold air intake and a state true clutch.
Okay. Have you been to a dyno before?
I've never been to a dyno. I'm so fucking excited.
How much do you expect this bad man pajama to make?
140 is what I'm hoping for.
All right. 140. Is that before the drivetrain loss? Cool. 140. Thank you.
There you go.
I don't think we've had one. Honestly,
Have we had a Stinger yet?
it's kind of funny.
No, I think this is the first Kia we've had.
We should put the Plymouth Neon on here after and see if it like competes. It'll be close. He said
Audi on.
He say 140.
Yeah, 140.
Buick's got a chance.
I doubt it. It's weighs half of what your Buick does. Dude's got crank windows, no option, so it probably weighs 1,900 pounds.
No, you saying it's gonna make 140?
No!
Would you like to try a bolt-on, sir?
We're going on your engine. It's more like a hold-on. Where's the thing at?
Phillips head.
Is it Phillips or flathead? Either or? Okay. There's a flathead on that bench over there. XR brushless.
I'm saying like 4 more horse.
Yeah.
Judy, ask him how much he thinks he's going to pick up.
Ask him how much he's gonna pick up on that.
So how much do you think it'll make with the leaf blower?
I'm hoping for that 140.
All right. He wants 140.
Oh my god, it was meant to be.
My name is Quincy OG, aka Chief OG, and I brought the 2014 EVO X MR.
Awesome. And what mods do you have done to it?
Basically, I have an HKS high power dual exhaust on there. It's lowered on Spec R Swift springs. Everyone's 18 by 9.5, offset 18 with 20mm spacers, and that's pretty much it.
Okay. Have you been to a dyno before?
No, this is the first time.
Cool. How much power do you expect to make today?
Stock specs, like 291, I think, maybe.
Okay. Cool.
We'll see.
Awesome. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
It's our official dyno blowjob giver.
What's up? I'm JT from Parker. I brought a 2007 STI. It's basically stock, tuned by Mofab.
Have you been to the dyno before?
I have. She's been tuned by Mofab. I've never been to like a dyno fun session like this. This is pretty rad.
Oh, okay. How much do you expect to make today?
It made 310, 360 3 years ago, so hopefully around there.
Awesome.
So,
cool.
right on, man.
Well, thank you.
Of course.
About a 2002 Bugeye. It's a hybrid build, 2.0 head, 205 block,
Nice.
SCI transmission, E85 tune. It's tuned by the boost creeps.
Cool.
So I want to say this is the first time I've ever basically ridden it.
Okay.
I don't know how much power it's making, to be honest.
If you had to guess, what would be your guess?
I'm guessing around 280.
280? Cool.
And I brought a Nissan 370Z Nismo.
Okay, and what modifications have you done?
I have a 3-inch long tube intakes. I have Z1 test pipes and a full ISR.
Awesome. Have you been to a dyno before?
No, I have not.
How much power do you expect to make today?
280, 290.
280, 290? Awesome. Thank you very much.
Brought my 94 Lexus SC400.
Okay, what's done to it?
Honestly, just like straight pipe as well as cats, and then just a cold air intake, really.
Okay.
It's getting pro charged next week, so.
Awesome, so this will be your baseline.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to a dyno before?
I haven't had a car on the dyno, but I've been to one before.
Oh, okay. How much power do you think it'll make today?
I'll be happy with 200.
200? Yeah. Cool. I love your shirt, by the way. That is awesome.
I have the 2019 Civic Type R, full bolt-on, ethanol, running E55 mix, fuel system, and custom tune.
Perfect. And have you been on a dyno before?
Yeah.
What are you expecting to make today?
410. 410 should be good.
410?
And I got a Civic Type R 2019.
Okay, and what mods do you have?
Full bolt-on and upgraded fuel system.
Awesome.
E30.
Cool. Is this your first time dynoing?
No, I've dynoed here before, so I don't remember what I did though. So.
Okay, what do you think you'll make today?
390.
390? Appreciate you.
I have a 2012 TT RS. It's a 2.5 liter inline 5 turbo. It's stock right now for the most part. Little exhaust pipes here and there, wheels, intake. I've only had it for like 3 months, so just trying to see what it runs.
Cool. Have you been on a dyno before?
Not with this car, but with another one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
How much are you expecting to make today?
I don't know. Probably, if I had to guess, 300 horsepower, 270 torque. If I had to guess.
All right. Yeah, we'll see how close you are. Yeah. It's cool that it's an inline 5. You don't see many inline 5s.
No, not too many. It's a pretty rare car in general. They only made like 900 of them for the country.
Really?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
And they're all stick.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Felix, and it's a 2018 Accord, couple mods. It's currently the fastest in the world.
Fastest in the world, all right. You've had it on the dyno before?
This one a couple times, yeah.
Oh, okay. What do you expect to make today?
460 maybe.
460? Okay. Cool. Thank you.
Not on our fucking always talking shit, God.
What's up?
Hey, Joel!
480 horsepower, 467 torque.
My name's Eric Keeley. I brought a 2012 V6 Mustang with a turbo, 67, 66 turbo, 1000cc injector, and an Ortiz tune.
Perfect. Have you had it on the dyno before?
Never.
What do you expect to make today?
Hopefully 5. I just finished it yesterday.
Awesome.
So we'll see how it goes.
Great to see you out here. Hope you make it.
Thanks, bud.